for memory. Number 1. Intend to remember. Number 2. Understand what you are trying to remember. Number 3. Organize what you know into meaningful patterns. Number 4. Become genuinely interested in what you want to remember. Number 5. Use as many of your senses as possible. Number 6. Associate what you want to remember with what you know. Number 7. If you cannot find a logical association for a new fact, invent your own. Number 8. If you have a great deal to remember, spread it over a few days. Number 9. Review what you want to remember as often as possible. Number 10. The best time to memorize is at night before you go to bed.